Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your panoramic sunroof on the 2022 Kia Sportage. I have in front of me here an EX Premium S all-wheel drive in steel gray. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, the button to control the panoramic sunroof is up in the ceiling here, right in the center. It's like a two-function button. So if I were to push or pull the button lightly, it does one function. If I were to pull or press it hard, it does two functions. So if I were to pull the button back lightly, in this case, it's going to pull back the shade all the way to the back of the vehicle. So the shade is now fully open. Then if I were to lightly pull the button back again, it is then going to open the actual window fully. And that's the window fully open. Now, if I were to then press the button hard forward, it's going to do two functions. So it's going to close the window and it started to bring the shade back. And once the window is fully closed, it's going to go ahead and close the shade. If I wanted to only close the window but keep the shade open, I would have lightly pressed the button forward so that the window would close and the shade would remain open. Now, if I were to push the button up to the ceiling and hold it for a second, the shade is now opening and it's going to just tilt the back of the sunroof to allow some fresh air in instead of bringing all the elements in. Now, if I were to lightly press it forward, it then closed the window, but it kept the shade in its location. So if I were to start closing the shade, you can actually press the button and interrupt where you want the shade to stop. That way you can allow in as much or as little natural light as you'd like. And that's how you do it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please make sure you hit that like button and that you subscribe and select that notification bell so you stay up to date with all of our videos. Also, go ahead and give us a follow on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. All of the links are in the description below. Thanks, guys.